project eBrick House is developed in a thoughtful working atmosphere. Thus, we organize various internal workshops and activities between students and professors to foster ties that bind us together toward a common goal, Solar Decathlon Europe 2014. VIA University College is located in Horsens, Denmark. It's a charming town in the east coast of Jutland Peninsula with a beautiful architecture and outstanding multicultural atmosphere. Universitat Jaume I is placed in Castellón, Spain, a welcoming town between the Mediterranean seaside and beautiful mountain ranges, hosting several natural reserves in its surroundings. VIA-UJI équipe consists of students and professors from different countries in order to merge a common and cosmopolitan lifestyle. To do this, from the very beginning, our educational principle is the exchange of knowledge and culture to promote a project that reflects modern societies that make up current Europe. In addition, our students from different areas of knowledge have been gathered into multidisciplinary groups implementing a new academic methodology which involves guided practical projects, making classwork closer to real work through practical placement and final degree projects. We aim to create a very innovative housing typology for high urban density models, suitable for different configurations of building height. But in order to adjust our project closer to reality, we have to keep in mind if our societies are ready for the change. To achieve this target, our goal is to involve the community from the very beginning and encourage neighboring collaboration through the concept "do it yourself" as a way to really involve users throughout the whole building process. In addition, we aim to educate society in cradle-to-cradle building material systems, also trying not to give up the benefits of life in the countryside while living in a urban environment by incorporating urban gardens. All in order to show our community that a more sustainable way of life is possible.